Well, this was a cool toy. A Dinky Toys Fourgon Peugeot J7. It looked cool. It did a lot of things wonderfully. But the problem was, doors sliding, that the roof kept falling off. And of course, that meant all the doors fell off as well. And we tried glue on the edges. Didn't hold. Hot gun glue. Didn't hold. So it became clear that our next step was to try to get some large flange screws that might hold down the top. But how to get up through here with the screwdriver against the roof. So it became clear we had to remove this bottom piece, if we could, which looks like it's fused to the gray plastic, perhaps, underneath. And if we look closely, there just seems to be a lip here, which is holding the chassis rear inside, and then there's a little rivet here that if we could release, we might be able to lift the whole bottom out, work on the top, and reassemble it again. So that was our goal. So the first step would be to find a drill bit that would be just right to move that rivet out, and looks like this very small size of drill. Okay, finally, with this drill, we got it cleared enough so that we could lift it, and sure enough, it pulls out like that. But we'll have a tough time getting that reattached. We'll see. That's going to come later. So now we'll take the plastic out. It'd have to come off. Maybe stretch it in a little bit. Yeah, like that. And now we can get at the top and the sides. So, look, like this should go here, and that there, and a nice little screw with a couple of washers would hold that on.